everyone.
Hi friends, it's Bob and Fran, and we're both in our 80s and we're all about healthy aging. Today we're going to share with you our own morning routine to strengthen our upper body and core. Our hope is that you will join us every day or two so we can all stay fit together. So grab your weights, or if you don't have weights, you can use a couple cans of food and use a sturdy chair with no arms or wheels. Just follow along with us. Let's get started right now.
So we're going to start today's session by doing some just little warm-up exercises for the upper body. So we start by interlacing the fingers just about at the belly area with the palms facing up. Then take an in-breath through your nose, turn the hands down, out, and then up, overhead. And sort of wiggle up so you extend the spine, but keep the elbows bent. And then let's tilt to one side, stretching the rib cage on the opposite side. And then back to center, and we're going to stretch over to the other side. Good. And this time we're going to drop the arms in front, round the back in your upper back, tuck the chin, and the chest is hollowed here. And then raise the arms up. Now we're going to tilt backward, arch backward a little bit, but keep the chin down. Good. Then loosen the hands and then draw the hands back into soft fists and just open the chest here. Very good. So Fran, let's start our series of 8 different exercises. And what would be the first one?
Okay, so pick up your weights. You can use anything that you want, either weights, and if you don't have any weights, you can use cans of food. But put your arms close to your body, and we're going to do what's called simple curls. So just on an exhale, bring your hands up and inhale down. 9, 8.
So we're going to do
7,
10 repetitions of each
6,
exercise today. And we don't
5,
rush through this. We take our time.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Good job.
Our next exercise is going to be what we call push up into a V and pull down into a W. And here's how it looks. Keeping your arms close to your body, weights up, lift up into a V and pull down into a W. Inhaling as you come down, exhaling as you go up. 9, 8, 7,
Don't forget, keep your posture
6,
nice and upright. Keep the chest up.
5, 4,
It might be hard, but a little smile on your lips helps.
3, 2, 1. Good. Our third exercise is what we call arm lifts. So put your arms straight down, and we're going to lift them up to our shoulders. 10, 9, 8,
Again, keep a good posture.
7,
Chest up,
6,
belly tight.
5,
Strengthening the arms here and the shoulders.
4, 3, getting heavy, huh? 2, and 1. A little harder when you pull those weights out to the side, but it's good for your arms, makes them stronger. Now, the next one we're going to do is punching. So bring your weights right in front of your chest, and what we're going to do is we're going to punch with one hand and then come back and punch with the other. So it's 10, 9,
punch here should be out and diagonal a little bit.
7, 6,
And your upper torso could move from side to side, just a little bit,
5,
slanting a little bit each time.
4, 3,
It's a really good exercise, builds strength in the arms.
2, and 1. Good.
Oops, I kept going.
Okay.
Do I get extra
You got
credit?
extra credit for that
good.
one. Okay. Our next exercise is what we call elbows up. And it's really good for your shoulders, your rotator cuff, and it helps to make your arms stronger. So, with the weights right in front of you, we're just going to keep our arms bent and we're going to lift our elbows up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay. Now, we did a simple curl before. Now we're going to do what we call a crossover curl. So again, with your arms down by your sides and the weights right in front of you, we're going to cross over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Don't forget to keep breathing.
7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Okay. Now, one of my favorites. So put one of the weights down and spread your knees just a little bit. And we're going to put the weight down by the opposite foot. And then we're going to bring it up and over.
So here, try to reach down as far as you can, and you're bending down from the waist. If you can't go down all the way to the floor, just go down as far as you can in a slow and measured pace.
7,
When you come up, the elbow comes up first and then extend up, diagonally up and out.
5,
And the exhale should be when you lift.
4, 3, 2, 1. Now put the weight in the opposite hand. We're going to do the same thing in the other direction. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, good. Just one more exercise. So pick up that other weight again.
Our last exercise is called punch and fly. So there's two parts to the exercise. And we start, by the way, be sure you're at the front end of your chair and lean back slightly. And keep the core as tight as you can, the stomach muscles tight, as if you were going to be hit by someone in the belly and get punched. Keep it tight so you're strong. So we start by holding the weights in front of your chest and then punch forward, open, together again and back.
10,
So it's punch, fly, close, and
9,
back. Punch, open, and
8,
back.
7,
Of course, we kept the most
6,
difficult of the exercises to last. We think this
5,
one's a little tough, so do your best with it. If you can't do all 10,
4,
just do as many as you can. If the weights get too heavy, just
3,
put them down and just do it with no weights.
2,
Ah,
1. Yes.
that was the one I was looking for.
Okay, so let's put our weights down and just do a little stretching before we finish. So Bob, what are we going to do?
Upper torso exercise. So we start with our fists, soft fists, so we don't clench them hard, just about up to the shoulders, fists to the shoulders. Then draw the fists back, opening the chest nice and wide. And then we're going to curl the fists inward. So the top of the fists touch, knuckles are facing you, and try to touch the elbows as well. So you can peek at me just over your fingers. With this position, we're bending forward just slightly. You can feel the upper back opening and loosening. So let's draw the hands back again. And this time we bend a little farther in toward the belly. So we're bent forward a little more, and we feel the opening of the middle back here. So let's repeat the sequence. So we open, close, bend forward just a bit, the elbows to the chest. And then we open again, and we bend forward, elbows to the belly. There you have it. Perfect little closing exercise. You guys did a great job. Thanks for joining us, and we hope to see you again, and you continue to do these lessons with us every time.